channel. For today's video, I decided to review the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. This palette was a limited edition last year. I didn't know it was limited edition and I wasn't able to get my hands on it until they brought it back this year. Here it is. Now, for those of you who don't know, I live in Toronto and there is a Morphe store here in Canada. I actually haven't gone to it, but I'll go soon. But I didn't go to the store. I ordered this palette online and let me tell you, this is my second time ordering online. They deliver anything super fast. Like I ordered this on a Saturday and I got this on Tuesday. So that is like super fast shipping. So let's jump in. So I have already used the palette. I'm wearing it on my eyes. As you can see, it's warm tones. Hello, it's called Bronze Goals. So of course I wanted to get my hands on it. It has a little bubble wrap in here, so it's very well protected. Here is the palette. It's not a metal case, it's just like a typical hardcover case. When you open it, it actually has a magnet, so it sticks to it. And the beautiful palette. I hate this so much. I hate that they didn't put the names of the eyeshadows on the palette. It could have actually fit here in between, you know? But they didn't. The shades have beautiful names, but I don't think I'm gonna be using the names if it's not on the palette, you know? I don't know why Morphe doesn't do that. I think they never do that. It's not even on the back of the palette. So the back of the palette is just empty. The packaging is pretty. I just feel like they should have at least put it on the back or simply don't give the eyeshadow names. Here is the beautiful palette. As you can see, warm bronzy colors. You have a few cool tones down here. These colors right here are not black, but they are actually like a dark blue, which I actually appreciate them being here, you know, in case you want to take your eye look a little bit darker. These are all pressed pigments. There is one eyeshadow that is like a matte color with some specks of glitter, which is this one right here. The name, see? This is why you need to add the names on it. Burnt. So burnt has specks of glitter. So there's 10 matte eyeshadows in this palette, which you can use as transition colors, deepen up the crease. You also have all over the eyelid options, which would be the metallic ones. So you have 23 metallic eyeshadows in here. This and this may look similar, but they're not, trust me. It's a nice color palette for summer and then also for fall. I could definitely see fall makeup looks with this palette. Oh my god, I'm just so happy they brought it back. The texture on these eyeshadows are very soft. They blend together very well. I didn't have any problem blending or applying the product on my eyes. Not a lot of fallout. I didn't see a lot of fallout actually. I don't recall seeing a lot of fallout. Probably like very little. Like it wasn't something that I noticed, oh my god, there's a lot of fallout. This little guy has 35 eyeshadows and it retails for $31 Canadian money. For the States, I believe it retails for $25. It's pretty affordable compared to like ABH. An ABH palette would be $55 plus tax here in Canada, okay? In the States it may be lower. These Morphe palettes are still more affordable. I mean, you get a lot of eyeshadows in here. I wanted to buy a new palette from Morphe because if you follow me since the very beginning, throughout my YouTube years, you guys saw me purchase Morphe eyeshadows at IMATS, but I bought the individual eyeshadows. They don't sell those individual eyeshadows at all, so now they only come the palette already made. If I'm gonna use them here in my YouTube channel, but you won't be able to get your hands on it. I wanted to just get a new palette, so I'll be using these. You can still get your hands on this palette on their website. It's still available if you're interested. All the metallic eyeshadows swatch very beautifully. Some of the matte eyeshadows doesn't go all the way down. You'll see I do pass my finger back. However, just because it doesn't go down completely on my swatch, it doesn't mean that it's chalky on the eyes, because it wasn't chalky. They were all smooth and they blend nicely. Keep that in mind. I'm just showing you guys the swatches in front of you because you guys like to see the swatches. You don't have to worry about the eyeshadow being patchy or not pigmented because they are definitely pigmented. You can see it on my eyes. Alright, so let's go see the swatches on this beautiful palette. I do love all the colors. They're so pigmented. The only thing that I really hate about this palette is the names. Why? You make a piece of plastic that I'm supposed to keep on the palette. Just add them on the palette. That's all I'm asking for. And let me know your thoughts on this palette. Do you already have it, or are you passing on this palette? And what's your favorite thing about this palette? If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell so you are notified when there's a new video on my channel. I'll see you guys till my next video. Bye!